Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Toyota's 95 to 04 Tacoma. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or jack your vehicle and support it with jack stands. Remove any factory or aftermarket accessories and drop your gas tank for purposes of safety and to gain clear access to your vehicle's frame. Step 3. Remove your vehicle's hitch and bed. We show how to do this in another video, linked below. Step 4. On the driver's side, with a 12mm socket, remove the 3 bolts securing the e-brake wire. Follow this section and remove or relocate any other line or wire that may prevent installation. Step 5. Hold the part up to the frame and take note of its coverage. Mark off any sections you wish to cut off while leaving enough to weld back onto. Begin cutting away any material while avoiding damage to the leaf spring and bed mount brackets. On the driver's side, our part comes with 2 welded nuts for the e-brake line. If you wish to use it, you'll need to cut your frame to support it. The passenger side slips on otherwise. Step 6. Begin cleaning the frame of any rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Step 7. Push the part into place using the angle and brackets for alignment. With a 19mm socket, remove your bushing from the leaf spring and either reuse it or replace it with a new one. The bolt that we include uses a 21mm socket. Use a jack stand or C-clamps to hold it in place and begin tack welding it to the frame. Step 8. The inner wall of the part features a perforation that can bend into the channel. Before finalizing the weld, use C-clamps to close the gap. This may require further cleaning of the frame to install. Reassemble your lines, wires, and leaf spring, and you're done.